Hello everyone, today I will teach you my favorite souffle I used to do in Michelin-star restaurant, chocolate souffle, and I will combine it with coffee ice cream. So let's do it. And let's start with the ice cream. You will need cream, sugar, coffee beans, egg yolks, milk, white chocolate and glucose. To infuse the coffee flavor, bring the milk to a boil, then add the coffee beans and let them steep for about 30 minutes. Once infused, strain the milk and mix it with the cream, glucose and sugar. Bring this mixture to a boil, then slowly pour it over the egg yolks while stirring constantly. Transfer everything back into the pot and heat it gently until it reaches 83 degrees Celsius. Now mix it with white chocolate and blend it well. I like to use hand blender to ensure a smooth texture. Once combined, let it rest in the fridge for at least few hours, but ideally overnight. When it's fully chilled, turn it in the ice cream machine. So the ice cream is being frozen, and now let's start with the souffle. You will need eggs, sugar, cornstarch, milk, dark chocolate and egg yolks. Start by mixing cold milk with cornstarch in the pot, then cook it over medium heat until it thickens. Once thick, mix it with melted dark chocolate. You can simply melt the chocolate in the microwave. In a separate bowl with egg whites with sugar until you get a thick, glossy consistency. Be sure to add the sugar gradually in the small portions. To make the chocolate mixture smoother, first fold in a small portion of egg whites. Then mix in the egg yolks. And after that, gently fold in the remaining egg whites. One portion at a time until you achieve a light airy souffle batter. Prepare your mold by brushing it with butter and dusting with sugar. Pour in the souffle mixture, smooth the top and clean the edges. I will bake mine at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, but if you're using a smaller mold, you might need closer to 10 minutes, so be prepared to experiment to find the perfect baking time for your setup. The ice cream is almost ready and the souffle looks amazing. Now there is just one final test. It has to be approved by my food inspector. He cannot eat the chocolate, but at least he can have a little taste of ice cream this time. Everything checks out, so let's finish this dish. At this time, it's going to be very easy. I will just make a nice quenelle on the top, and it's ready to eat. And if you like to learn another cool souffle, check out this video and learn how you can make my hazelnut souffle at home. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you soon.